then we put them inside.
Mix it together. She said, mix, mommy. Mommy, you said mix it together. Say that, mommy.
That's delicious. Put one tomato. Yep. And also you put one onion. You can put the purple one or you can put the white one, depending on the season and also the one that you like. You can put the white one or the purple one.
Put the purple one,
So
mommy.
I'm putting the purple one. I like this one.
That's white purple.
Then you cut.
Hey, mama, what?
You cut them into small pieces.
Master Daddy.
And then you can smash this one. You can use a spoon. You can use a pestle. Do them like this. This is the best guacamole. The best guacamole.
Look at me, stuff stick.
Yes, the guacamole. I've washed your avocado. Now mine is ripe, so you cut. Then you remove. Then now you can put in your githeri. Then you put it in your githeri. Now you can put it in your plate.
Another one.
Taste it with the guacamole. How is it? So good with my githeri.
Mama, githeri.
I like it.
I told you.
With your food.
I mix it.
So yummy.
Yeah, doesn't have
So yummy with your githeri.
But
So this is so yummy. Melting with your githeri.
it's green, mommy. I like the color.
You know.
Shoot!
mash it. Mash it. Squeeze the lemon here. You squeeze the lemon, then you put it here. This is the lemon. Then you continue mixing, and then you put it on your food.
Mommy, can you have for me, please? I want it. Another one. Because we don't have
Yeah, that's enough.
on the black.
You put it here. You put it very well. You smash it in a small bowl, and then you can now put the black pepper. Put the black pepper. This is the black pepper. I'm putting very small amounts. You can put the other original pepper, the chili ones. You can put that one. Those ones is depending on what you have, and yeah. So this one has the pepper, black pepper in it. You continue smashing black, but if you are eating immediately, you don't need to add anything else. You can eat just like that. Also, it's good to add the lemon because of that's how when you eat raw fruits, you need to add the lemon. Yeah, so it's so nice with your githeri.